In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 3 weather forecast apps for Android. Let's dive right in and see how each of these apps can help you stay ahead of the weather. Windy Weather Forecast. Windy Weather Forecast is an advanced weather app designed for those who need precise weather data and visualizations. This app provides users with a detailed meteorological overview, including high-resolution weather maps showing wind patterns, precipitation, temperature, and pressure in real time. Its interactive interface allows users to customize the display based on various weather parameters, making it an excellent tool for outdoor enthusiasts, sailors, and travelers. With its built-in radar images and satellite information, Windy Weather Forecast ensures that users receive accurate forecasts and live updates. iLmeteo Weather Forecast. iLmeteo Weather Forecast is a comprehensive app that brings users reliable weather information with a user-friendly interface. It offers localized forecasts, real-time weather updates, and detailed meteorological data, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and precipitation levels. The app's highlights include hourly and daily forecasts, interactive weather maps, and customizable notifications based on user preferences. Additionally, iLmeteo features satellite imagery and radar data to visualize weather patterns effectively, making it a practical choice for those who want to stay informed about changing weather conditions. iLmeteo Weather Forecasts. iLmeteo Weather Forecasts is an intuitive app that delivers accurate weather forecasts powered by professional meteorologists. It provides users with localized weather updates, detailed hourly and daily forecasts, and specific information about wind speed, clouds, and temperature. The app also includes animated weather maps, giving users the ability to see changes in weather patterns over time. With its easy-to-navigate design and reliable data, iLmeteo ensures that users are well prepared for their day, whether it's rain or shine. That wraps up our overview of the best weather forecast apps for Android. Stay safe and prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.